Plie. 1, 2, 3. Now place the plie. Now you're going to turn the preparation. Slowly. Don't turn your head. Not yet. Now you're going to do a single turn. Whoosh. And close fifth back. More hip. And now think right arm goes back. This right shoulder is always going to stay back here. Now you can see your both arms open. Can you see? Now right knee, ping. Yeah. So whether you're in the long fourth or the short fourth, but everyone who turns well, you look on YouTube, you look in slow motion, they all look like this. This is when they reach this point here with their arms open, the next thing you see is they turned. They turned. So you have to, that's it. So Sophie, everybody make sure, right? When you see your eyes, when you spot, that closes your arm. Your arm is not going to turn your head.